to my channel. Today I am going to be filming a quite different video. I'm going to be showing you how to make the all famous Starbucks chai latte with cold pumpkin cream. If you're interested to make a home version, then keep on watching. Low key, this took me so long to make. I found out a much easier version of making this and it was like quite spot on. So I'm going to show you. By the way, I got this hoodie and I thought, I would wear it because, I don't know, it's quite fitting for this video. I'll link it down below if you're curious to where I got it. Here's a list of ingredients. You need milk, chai latte, heavy cream, pumpkin syrup, cinnamon, and a whisk of your choice. You'll also need a Starbucks cup to put your homemade chai latte with cold pumpkin cream on top. No, I'm just kidding. Just grab a cup of your choosing and we're set to go. The first thing you want to take is your chai latte. I'm using the Xoxo one. Everything will be linked down below, just in case, but as you can see, I filled it up to like a third of the cup or so. Next, I'm taking my lactose-free milk and just filling the cup, leaving a little bit of room at the very top. Next, grab some ice. You can have them full cubed or you can crush them. It's totally up to you, and just fill your cup. We're going to move our cup off to the side. What you want to do is take a bowl, fill it up with heavy cream, just enough to fill up the rest of our cup. Then what you want to do is take this Torani pumpkin pie syrup. This is a game changer. This is so simple to use. You squeeze as much as you want, and honestly, this is the best way to do it in my opinion. I was using pumpkin puree before, and honestly, this is just so much better. But then all you want to do is just add some cinnamon and you're good to go. After you have all of your ingredients in the bowl, you want to take a whisk, or you can blend this together in a blender. It's totally up to you. But I'm going to take this little amazing tool that has 3 speed settings. Honestly, guys, I'm linking this down below. It's from Amazon and it just whisks everything to perfection. It's so easy to use and it's completely chargeable, so no batteries here. Whisk everything until it's all mixed together and fluffy and creamy and just delicious. And there you have it. This is how you make your own at-home chai latte with cold pumpkin cream. Super affordable, super easy to make, and it's just delicious. Let me know if you give this recipe a try down in the comments below. If you have not followed me yet on Instagram, please do so. It's right over here, super easy to do. If you have not yet, please give this a like. Subscribe down below if you have not yet already. And I hope that you have the best fall season. And I'll see you in my next video.